What's the meaning of ballot? Ballot. Ballot.
Ballot. Ballot. The term ballot refers to a process of voting where individuals cast their vote by marking their preference on a ballot paper or using an electronic system. A ballot can be used for various types of elections such as political, organizational, and even referendums. The secrecy and accuracy of the ballot are important factors in maintaining the integrity of the democratic process. In many countries, the right to vote in a free and fair election is seen as a fundamental human right and a cornerstone of democracy. The use of the ballot has been a significant development in enabling mass participation in the democratic process and ensuring accountability of elected officials.